Hey everyone, with me today, I have this amazing gift set for anyone in your life. It has the words pretty stuff inside in the front and comes with this gorgeous ribbon in the front. So let's take a look inside and see exactly what you're going to get. Once you open up the box, the words "From Nature to You" greet you in with this box full of goodies. And first up is the card. This is super nice. It says especially for you, and it's blank on the back, so you can go ahead and write a little handwritten note if this is a gift for somebody. You're also going to have a little door sign that says shh, pampering in progress. Super adorable. There's also a ton of goodies, including bath salts, massage oil, a bath bomb, a cute little lavender candle, body butter, lavender homemade bar soap, and even a little face towel, you guys. This box is full of different goodies for your special person to treat themselves or even for yourself for a night in. I definitely recommend you guys to check this out. I got mine from Amazon and you can too.